no. People with weak root chakras also have problems saying no. And having a strong set of boundaries is really important. Being comfortable with anger is really important. Anger is one of the emotions of the root chakra. So if you're one of those people who thinks anger is bad, or you think anger is something you should repress, you're probably repressing the gift of your root chakra. Anger and saying no is the ability to define boundaries in your life and cut yourself off from influences that aren't good for you. It's part of your natural defense mechanism, your natural protection mechanism. And if you find yourself getting pulled into things you don't really want to do because you feel obligated, that's because you haven't rooted yourself and you're instead operating out of your second chakra. Now, your second chakra, which we're going to get to, is all about social acceptance and fun and partying and making people happy and making yourself happy. So if you're living in that reality, you probably won't be able to say no because you're afraid of making someone unhappy. But the roots are here to ground you and remind you that you're not alive for anyone else. You're not here to live your life for someone else and give yourself away to them. You're here for you. And you've got to own that and accept that. This is part of the keys to being financially successful and taking care of yourself and getting done what you got to get done. And saying no, defending your time and your space and your energy has a place in your life. And anger can create boundaries around yourself, and that has a place in your life. So if that's one of the areas where you need to work on, saying no and accepting your anger and channeling your anger, this is my invitation to begin to see those things differently. And the next time somebody asks you, hey, you want to go out and go have a drink? You might need to say, no, it's nothing personal, but I've got other things I need to do.